We recommend 7 practices that can encourage regular maintenance and renewal of a change. Most of these recommendations are directed towards team and organizational change, not personal change, but can be adapted to individuals. Perhaps the most fundamental mechanism for sustaining change is a regular meeting during which team members can come together to share results, perspectives, and opinions about how change is operating. Especially for large scale organizational changes, it's useful for top leaders to hear directly from organizational members about how change is working. Particularly in intergroup changes where new roles, processes, or relationships are developed, a regular meeting among members of the groups involved can serve as a point to renew and evaluate the changes that have been made. A renewal conference is a specific event, often held off-site, where organizational leaders or members meet to evaluate and discuss the change. These can also be effective at the department or a team level. Performance reviews evaluate departments and individuals against specific measurable goals. Having clear and consistent goals, with rewards to support them, provides unambiguous support for the desired change. A return visit from the change agent who helped to implement the change can encourage the organization to take an objective look at its progress. Despite the best intentions of regular reviews, a change will not be sustained if organizational members are rewarded or recognized for doing something that's in opposition to the change. Rewards should be put into place that provide recognition to the people who maintain the new ways of doing things.